In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a lock icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a really quick and useful workflow if you want to add clean icons to your design without drawing them from scratch. Whether you're working on a UI mockup, an app screen, or a simple graphic, this method will save you time and keep your design looking professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Figma tips and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Figma and go to your design file. You can start in any existing project or create a new design file if you want a fresh workspace. Once your canvas is open, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of helpful tools, including plugins and widgets. After clicking Actions, choose Plugins and by Widgets from the menu. This will let you browse and add tools that expand what Figma can do. Next, use the search bar and type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most useful icon plugins in Figma, because it gives you access to a huge library of icons, including the lock icon we need. When Iconify appears, open it. Once the plugin is running, type lock into the search field. You'll see several different lock icon options show up, so take a moment to look through them and choose the one that fits your design style best. Some icons may look outlined, filled, or slightly different in shape, so pick the one that matches your project. After you find the lock icon you want, simply drag and drop it into your canvas. That's it. The icon is now inside your Figma design and ready to be resized, recolored, or positioned wherever you need it. You can now use the lock icon in buttons, menus, settings screens, security layouts, or anywhere else a lock symbol makes sense. If you want, you can also duplicate it, group it with other elements, or adjust its size to match the rest of your interface. And that's how you create a lock icon in Figma using Iconify. Super easy, fast, and perfect for beginners. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.